Welcome to Neo AI. With just one prompt, you can build full-stack applications and sophisticated machine learning models. Go from idea to production in minutes. Neo AI uses 62 specialized agents triggered by a single prompt, eliminating manual grunt work compared to traditional development, or AI copilots. The four-step autonomous workflow starts with describing the outcome in natural language. Next, provide context like data and constraints. Agents then execute the plan, and finally, the system steers the process by reviewing, testing, and deploying. This system operates as a multi-agent swarm, coordinated by a conductor agent. It's not a single chatbot, but a team of 62 specialized agents handling planning, coding, testing, and deployment simultaneously. Capability 1 is full-stack applications. Neo AI builds native iOS, Android, web apps, and games. Agents manage real-time databases and provide one-click cloud deployments. Capability 2 is the autonomous ML engineer. It automates the entire machine learning workflow, from data engineering and feature extraction to model fine-tuning and hyperparameter optimization. In a real-world execution, a chat moderation pipeline was autonomously generated, trained, and deployed as a production-ready REST API with low latency, achieving a 92.4% F1 score. Another real-world example is the trading agent swarm. 10 specialized agents coordinated over 250 days of historical market data, achieving autonomous alpha with a 4.62% return. Neo AI uses closed-loop auto-optimization. An optimizer agent reads failure summaries while a target agent runs batches. The system iterates automatically until performance converges to the target score. The distributed worker mesh connects any device to multiply processing power. MacBooks, PCs, and cloud GPUs become AI compute nodes, processing tasks locally in the background. For secure and isolated execution, agents execute code in isolated sandboxes or VPCs. You maintain full control over read/write access, ensuring data never leaves your environment. The system provides transparent observability with no black boxes. Every action is logged, reversible, and visible in plain English, allowing you to stay in the loop as the supervisor. Neo AI goes beyond standard editors and CLI agents. This system builds, tests, and deploys entire applications, offering capabilities like full app generation from a prompt and native mobile support. The economics of autonomy show a 10x time reduction. Tasks that took weeks now take minutes, accelerating feature delivery and redeploying human engineers to high-value strategy. The future of development is here. One prompt, complete stacks. Your autonomous engineering team is ready. What do you want to build today?